We are going to crimp a 6 mm tube with pipe lock fitting. First of all, we mark the tube with the gauge. We mark both ends. Then we put the fitting to the pipe, to the middle of the mark, so that both inner seals are covered, both same in this end. Then we take the pipe lock tool and position the fitting into the dies. Then we crimp. And we crimp the other end. Once the machine stops, the crimping is finished. And then we verify that the crimping is correct with the gauge. So we can see that the crimping is correct. That's it.